This is National Geographic Channel presents. Take an obsessed IMAX filmmaker. Add one 7-ton tank.
Not sure it's a tornado, almost 4.
Mix in a scientist armed with the latest technology. And put them all on a collision course with a tornado. And you've got one hell of a recipe for disaster. A lot of people chase tornadoes and watch from a safe distance.
We're safe. We're safe here, Jim. We're safe.
But this team is different. They're not just chasing, they're going inside.
Oh, there it is.
Now, a filmmaker and a scientist join forces on a potentially deadly quest to push Twister science further than ever before with the first human tornado intercept.
We are in it.
Area. Prepare for damaging winds, large hail, heavy rain, and dangerous lightning.